Dance, I think when I started, I was very, very, very nervous because I'm generally very introverted, so it's very difficult for me to go and dance in a space where I'm around people. I'm okay doing yoga and other stuff, but dance was something different. But now I'm feeling very confident. Like, even though I do make mistakes, I feel like it's okay to make mistakes and learn from that. I can express myself a little bit better nowadays. I love it. As I said, it was nervous to talk to people initially, but once I got comfortable with people, I love coming to class every week. I look forward to it. And I work from home all the time, so it's difficult for me to find a community where I can fit in. And I am surrounded by people who are very supportive. And I think Naila has the skill. Bringing people together is kind of the greatest gift from the universe to anybody could have. I think Naila has that, and I'm so thankful for that. And I feel happy like every time I come here, and I leave with like a positive spirit, and the rest of the day is happy. And she brings in a lot of energy to the class as well. Like, however I come in, I go out with so much positivity, and it's kind of an accomplishment, but not in a way that, oh, I did something, but I gather good energy from people from the class. So yeah, I really look forward to the class all the time. I was very nervous because I've never done belly dancing. I used to do a little bit of salsa like here and there, but for me to come to a class consistently, I need the class to be not boring. So every class she brings in new choreography, and the way she structures the class is so fun to me. Like the techniques and then doing new choreography every time, like the effort that she puts into the class makes me want to come to the class. I think connecting with my body. I used to be very scared to look at the mirror, like dancing myself, thinking that I would be awkward, but with time, I've learned that I am beautiful. Looking at the mirror, I feel like I'm connected to myself. I feel that with every other women in the class too, they connect to themselves, and then that's amazing. Connection is the word that I would describe this class to be. Fun is one thing. More than that, it's not just any class that you go where like we dance to some random song and then just go back. It's a community, and also every class is new. I get bored with things pretty easily, but this class, every time I come by, I feel like I'm learning something new. And yeah, the structure of the class is my favorite part. The techniques, I love it because whatever we are going to do in the rest of the class, we'll do the techniques in the beginning and then we'll get comfortable with it. Once that's done, like she'll do a small choreography at the end and then she'll let ourselves record. I can see myself improving over time, even though it's a very little thing. I enjoy the class a lot. After I go back, sometimes in the mirror, if I'm in a happy mood, I'll just see myself doing a hip bump, just looking at myself. It built so much confidence in me, I think, so I'm grateful for that. So thank you, Naila.